All right, so what you're looking at here is a reporter request from Realtor.com. They're inquiring as to a couple of things about a jumbo loan. So have you ever heard this term? First and foremost, a jumbo loan is simply a balance classification, and it's essentially classifying the amount or the mortgage limit at which the government-sponsored enterprises, which is your FHA, VA, your Fannie, Freddie, USDA, so forth, will buy mortgage loans up to, right? So they will buy mortgages up to this particular loan amount. Anything in excess of that balance classification or that limit is considered a jumbo loan. So when the authors or the reporter is asking, what kinds of homes are these used for? Now, different things in different areas, right? A jumbo loan in Arkansas is probably going to look a lot different than in California when it's getting you a 3-bedroom home. So it's used for property, I guess, a property with a balance over the amount listed for that particular area, because the jumbo classification will change based on zip code. They're not only used for mansions. More often than not, they're used for regular, everyday people homes. You'd never even know if you saw them on the street. The key difference between these and conventional loans is that they're not government sponsored or supported directly or indirectly. These are typically going to be quote unquote portfolioed at jumbo lenders. And if they are originated at the same lenders that do your Fannie, Freddie, which is pretty typical, they're just going to sell them in different mortgage-backed security pools. That's pretty much it. What additional risk do the borrowers take out? There's no additional risk. They just typically require higher down payment requirements and also tighter credit and tighter debt to income ratios and better credit scores. No real mistakes in taking these out. If you're a jumbo loan borrower, you're pretty dialed in your finances. And then what types of tips do you have? Pay off your debt and keep your ratios low and get good credit. Same as always.